Hi guys, in this video I will show you step by step how I created this beetroot. Working from a reference, I sketched the beetroot with a basic pencil brush. I wanted to be sure to capture the little curl at the bottom of the root. The leaves were rather complicated, so I decided to simplify those. I will use the sketch to build my color shapes layers that you'll see in the next step. I'm not looking for a perfect sketch here, but mainly focus on a nice composition to present the artwork. In North America, beetroot is referred to as beets, while us British, we refer to it as beetroot. From time to time I flip the canvas horizontally, and this allows me to just double check that the composition is nice. Now that I'm finished the sketch, I'm going to now create new layers for the color shapes. This will be the body, the front leaf, middle leaf and the leaf at the back. So 4 shape layers in total. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you are still watching by this point, hopefully this content is useful to you. Let me know by liking and or commenting below with requests or questions. Very quickly, I'm just moving the sketch layer to the top and reducing its opacity. I will now paint the shapes of the beetroot using an ink pen. I use 3 different hues of green on the leaves to keep them distinct from one another. I paint the outer edge of the shape using the ink brush, ensuring that I don't leave any gaps. I then drag the colour inside, which fills the entire shape. To help my workflow, I reorganise the layer shapes. I place the body at the very top, then below that the front leaf, and below that the middle leaf, and then right at the bottom the rear leaf. This helps me work. Now that I've finished the colour shapes, I can hide the sketch layer. It served its purpose. I adjusted the leaves very slightly using warp, and I have activated alpha lock on each layer. I'm now ready to add some shading and light with a lighter and darker version of the same hue. I'm adding these shading gradients using the standard soft brush. The reason I'm adding grading is to give the object some volume. Paying close attention to my reference, I'm now adding some leaf veins. I also use a texture brush called Signet. It gives a really nice effect. The final step is to create 2 new layers above each colour shape, a multiply layer for shading and an add layer for some light. And once again, using the soft brush, I just use some yellow for the light area and blue on the multiply layer for some nice shading, and it has a lovely effect. Let me know in the comments below if that was helpful to you. See you next time. Thanks for watching.